morning. Hey, it's Eric and Ashley, and we are in Wajh, Saudi Arabia. We're on the Red Sea coast this morning, and we started a road trip last night. So we drove up all the way from our home at Kaust, and we are headed kind of on an adventure through the northwest corner of Saudi Arabia over the next week. So we'll be joining our friends in a little while, but while we were here in Wajh, we thought we would come and explore a little bit while we had some time this morning while they're catching up with us as they're driving in. All right, so enjoy.
Hey guys, just a quick update. We have been driving up the coast all morning. We have joined up with some of our friends and we are now caravanning inland through the mountains. We are headed to a place called Wadi Al Disah, and we are going to do some off-roading and some camping. And so we'll be having some fun doing some adventure-y, outdoorsy things. A wadi is basically an old riverbed or a creek bed that sometimes fills up with water if it rains, and so some of them are big wide open spaces and some are canyons, and the one we're headed to is a canyon. So we'll get to explore and do some camping out in the middle of nowhere. Alright, see you there.
It looked fine to me.
Yeah, I got cheers from everybody. Oh, alright. Some fun up there. Hey, we made it to Wadi Disah.